everyone, today I'm actually reviewing the Roborock S6 Pure, which I recently got I think a month back. So I'm actually just giving this review after trying it out for some time. And yeah, so just carry on watching if you would like to know more on my thoughts. This vacuum Roborock can actually do two functions, one which is sweeping and another which is mopping, but in this review I will only be speaking about sweeping because I've yet to try the mopping, as I wanted to try out the sweeping functions before I even check out the mopping functions. But I actually got this because this can do both, but I'm not yet tried the mopping function, as I will be doing that next. So actually, when you see there's actually two ways to start on the Roborock. You can either use the app, or you can actually press the button on the Roborock itself and then it will start cleaning, or you can direct it back to the dock. So there's two ways, which is easier if you can do it via the app, and there's many more functions in the app which I will share later. After some time, I actually love this Roborock a lot, but the only disadvantage to me I feel is that over carpets like this, especially those long head ones, or small cloths that you put on the floor and all that, so it actually gets stuck on that. Especially here, this is actually stuck and it's trying to get out of the carpet, or trying to untangle or something, but it's not able to do. Keeps on moving, and then it's stuck, so it actually gets more tangled, so you have to manually stop it. And it will tell you on the app if the wheel is suspended, but this, when I lift it up, then I actually got the notification. Like you see here, it's actually stuck on this cloth. It's just a very thin cloth and it's actually stuck, so I just had to lift it up and remove it. So you just need to be careful of this kind of things if you actually get this. But other than that, this is actually this Roborock is actually worth it to me, even though I mean it's pricey, but it's actually worth the price. after using the robot many times, I actually find that it's good for picking up like dirt on the floor. You can even do like spot cleaning, but usually I just do one function, which is cleaning up the whole house. And you can see the suction is actually strong, but because there's wind coming out of the front, so sometimes the thing blows it away instead of like picking it up. So you see like at the back it's still like stuck there, or you see it blows it off. Sorry, I mean the back of the vacuum, there's like wind coming out of the robot, so that sometimes like blows stuff away. But other than that, it actually does clean up the whole house. So sometimes I like to do it twice, so that like, you know, in this kind of cases that it does a better job 2 times. But actually first like, you know, doing it once itself, it does a good job. And like you see here, right, this thing robot can actually go up a certain level, which is only kind of like this short. It can't really go down that much, so it can go up in there and come out itself. So that is one good thing. So on the app itself, you see I have already registered and everything. So under my robot, you can actually see the area, the battery, the timing and everything. And you can see my map itself. It has cleaned. This is the previous time it's cleaned, and the routes it has taken, which is you know, visible. So you can see how it actually does the cleaning on its own. Then there's some like, you know, rectangular and some stuff, right? That's the furniture. So it's already like mapped out there itself. And there's some functions that you can do, and it's all there, which you can actually you know, monitor, and you can play on it. So you see there's few maps, because I've tried like many times and I wanted it to not clean my kitchen. So just on the living room and the rooms itself, there's few different cleaning methods. So I normally just leave it on that one function. I don't really change it much. I only just put that red thing, which is for it to not go, that red box there is for it not to go to my kitchen. That's my kitchen. So usually I will just do the cleaning there on my own without the robot, because I prefer it to just go to the living room and the bedrooms and the other rooms, common rooms and all. So there's other functions that I don't really use, but there's also voices that you can choose. I normally just choose the English one. That's the only one that I can choose. So that's what I'm using. But the other stuff can pin and go. And then there's the remote control, which I just actually found this while playing with the app, because I don't really play around that much. And then it actually did come, the robot did come when I pressed on the arrow, so it did come. So I had to like put it back charge. And then the next one is, you see there's a few other options. So you can actually firmware update, which I have yet to update this. You can see my cleaning histories and everything. So there's a lot of function on the app, which is actually quite good. So after I have launched it again, now you see the map has gone back to this. So each time you will start on you know, a new cleaning route, so it will start automatically again. But normally is the whole map is still there. It's just that you have start to clean again, so it will do it on its own. So other than that, I don't really disturb it that much. So I have done a few cleaning. Another thing I really love is I can take a look at all these you know, filters and everything to see whether it's, you know, functioning well and everything. So when I need to replace and everything like that. So when I actually bought this, I actually got the main brush additional one. So yeah, I do have this, so I can keep it for later. But the others, right, I will need to purchase if I need to replace this. So this is a really very good one, which I feel. So yeah, you can contact the customer service and everything all via the app. There's everything, you can even find it there. Yeah, so now cleaning the dustbin, right, I have a dog, so it's really full of fur, picking out everything. So there is a lot of trash inside, and it did do a good job, because normally I have to like do it quite often because of my dog. His fur drops a lot, and then I was worried about the main brush because fur gets stuck on it, especially on my other vacuums. But this actually is not bad. I really love it actually. So the main brush, which is all my dog's fur is actually on it, and my hair also. So it's just now the rubbish didn't really go through because this is not clean yet. So you have to clean this regularly, and I don't really clean it all the time after I use, but I think I should because this is quite a lot. So usually this is just like after one time use. Normally this is what happens, but usually if it's not right, then I will get this like it will be really clogged. So it's best to actually clean it often. So according to the quality and all, right, it's really sturdy, so it's made of good quality. And this is the side brush, which actually helps to bring in the dust. And you see, because of the previous carpet, it tried to untangle, so you see this has turned a bit, but it still works fine, so there's no issues. The next time when I can replace it, then I will replace it. But other than that, this is all very good. So sensors, we have to clean it like once in a while, like it mentions in the app and all that. So this is mentions what is the vacuum cleaner, it's the S6 Pure and all that. So this is made in China and everything. And actually this is really a good item that everyone can invest in, because this is the latest, one of the latest models, the S6 Pure, and I'm sure there are better robots out there that help you to clean, but I mean those are really pricey, and this is really good on the price range for around 600 Singapore dollars. This is actually worth it. So I still need to clean the rubbish. After another clean, rubbish is still clogged, so the filter and all that I have to clean it as well. Other than that, this is really a good vacuum that I hope to have for some time before I get this replaced. So I have to keep this in a good condition as well. Yeah, so that's all my thoughts, and thank you for watching.
Bye everyone.